Hey guys, today I wanted to take a second to show you that my LG side-by-side refrigerator, it's 26 cubic feet, is in excellent working condition. It's all, I dare say, like new condition. Maybe a couple of little spots here. There's like one tiny little ding here and maybe one tiny little one there. Beyond that, this thing is in, like I said, just about like new condition. And I'm going to show you that everything on it is working perfectly. So first things first, right here you have a variety of controls. We can do cubed ice, crushed ice. You can adjust your temperature ranges in the refrigerator and the freezer. You can turn the ice maker on and off. You've got a light here for for doing your water and your ice. And then you'd reset the water filter here as well. So tons of different things. There's a door alarm if you accidentally leave the door cracked. But real quick, I'm going to show you that your ice works. So we're on cubed. There's cubed. We've got crushed. That's an excellent job with crushed. And then you just switch right here for water. Comes out pretty fast and you've got your water and ice. So now you know the water and ice maker work perfectly. I'm going to show you that the internal temperature is good to go on both. So real quick, I'll show you how this works. Temperature gun right in between those two red dots takes a surface temperature measurement. We're kind of seeing these everywhere we go now, so maybe you already know how it works. Open this up, get your ice bucket here. It's sitting right about 0. I was kind of fanning the door a minute ago, but you get the idea there. Nice and cold, just like it's supposed to be. I'll take a couple pictures for the ad there. But freezer side working perfectly, and you can see it's in excellent shape here. You got the drawers and all the shelves and everything working perfect. Now on the refrigerator side, I'll show you how this double door thing works here in just a sec, but for now you can see I have it set to its coldest setting, and I have not fanned this side at all. So you probably wouldn't want to set it on its absolute coldest setting here. It's pretty cold, but there you go. As you can see though, like I said, I always test everything full blast. That way you can see everything's working perfect. Everything is nice and clean. All the drawers and shelves and everything are in perfect shape. There's even some packing tape still on this guy here, so excellent shape. And how this door-in-door system works, you push this button and this opens. Easy access to a gallon of milk. This is a gallon size down here. Condiments, whatever you want to put in here and then on the door. So it's a cold saver because you don't have to open the whole door in order to grab just couple of items that you might want, your most used items there. So that's it, guys. I just did this real quick run through video so you can see everything on it's working perfect. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. That's how I like to spend my money when I shop, so that's how I sell my items. I do appreciate you watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again and have a great day.